Accurate real-time visibility of your factory floor is a critical component of the modern manufacturing environment. A manufacturing execution system is the solution to achieve just that. Our Manufacturing IT Solutions, or MITS, is a highly affordable solution suitable for any manufacturing or warehousing customer. It is a highly flexible MES system used to track and document the transformation of raw materials to finished goods. Our fully customizable MITS system will reduce waste, increase uptime, reduce inventory, and give you visible plant floor data in real time at your fingertips. Our MITS production monitoring display provides real-time plant floor data including important KPIs, downtime, and machine status information. You can monitor your plant floor anytime or anywhere from your computer or mobile device. You can also view active alarms and alarm history. MITS allows you to view station-specific information including process data, machine status, and throughput. With our MITS, we integrate work instructions to show real-time data to guide operators at each station. You can detail the work instructions to fit your specific needs, from simple work instructions to detailed video work assignments. To improve quality, MITS displays e-checklists on line-side workstations for the operator to sign off on completed work steps and quality gates. MITS also has the capability of maintaining your plant maintenance workflow management system. MITS can automatically generate and assign work orders based on machine warnings or alarms. It automates enforcement of disciplined workflows including auditing, investigation, authorization, and scheduling. MITS subscription reporting can automatically distribute daily reports to those managers and personnel that need the required data. Our MITS system also has ad hoc reporting as well. An MES system pays for itself on traditional cost reduction measures such as increased FTC, reduced scrap, and operator efficiency within 6 to 24 months of going live. Our MES solution has all the tools you need to analyze and manage your plant floor. Our MITS system can be launched in as little as 90 days and in most cases will not require a production downtime to execute. For more information, please contact Design Systems Incorporated. Thank you.